counties, when they split and when they destroy this country, the people of the north, they will know how to defend themselves with AK-47s. The people of the north, because they are used to adversity and hardship, Mr. Speaker, finally they will extract the oil that lies under that soil, the water that lies in Turkana. Mr. Speaker, all I'm calling for is a government that looks at the big picture. All I'm calling for is a government that revisits and revises the injustices of the past. Mr. Speaker, all I'm calling for is a better definition of bottom-up. Bottom-up not being seen as stealing money from the poor to the pockets of the rich. Bottom-up meaning that the marginalized areas must be prioritized in development and planning in this republic.
Mr. Speaker, I write at the pain of again asking that you request the Senator of Homa Bay to withdraw and apologize for his xenophobic remarks about Kiambu County. Mr. Speaker, we are painfully constructing a republic called Kenya. I know many children who are not Kikuyus, who are at Alliance Boys, Alliance Girls, Loreto, Mangu High School, name it, and there has never been a single report where any of the children has been attacked in school. In fact, my children go to those schools. If you have facts to demonstrate that somebody is marginalizing children from outside Kiambu, table them. If you don't, we want the peace to continue in those schools, and could you please withdraw and apologize? Which video?
Mr. Speaker, Senator Khalwale has been in this parliament long enough to reflect on rulings that have been made in the past. Mr. Speaker, even though it is possible for me to bring evidence to support what I have said, I will go by the decision of a speaker who is very prodigious in terms of his decisions. He said, you do not substantiate the obvious. Mr. Speaker, what I've said is in the public domain, but if Senator Khalwale feels aggrieved, I withdraw and substitute Homa Bay in the place of Kiambu. I hope that will make him feel happy, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, as I conclude, let us pass this bill, but please, the chairs of finance, the chairs of delegated legislation committee, and the communities that were the true beneficiaries of this money, let us go back and make sure we right the wrongs that have been committed in the past 5 years by denying the true recipients of this money and sending money to places where, if they put more effort to collect on-source revenue, and if they use devolved funds better, they would be able to get faster results as opposed to our brothers from the north. Our brothers from the north and those who have been forgotten, left out as a result of sessional paper number 65, you shall get justice. And I can tell you without doubt or fear that if Raila Odinga was a president of Kenya, the conversation today would be different. You will not be begging. You will not be begging for
Senator Kajwang.